evening. Welcome to the channel. I'm in the Colonial district in Santo Domingo. This is the hotel that we stayed at last night. This is not the first time we stayed here, but every time we stayed here, the rooms are comfortable, good value for the price, it's safe, it's fun. And I wanted you guys to see what we see. Clean. And it's in a good location. You have transportation to and back from the airport. And they have parking. That's important. This is the patio you're seeing out here right now. People are having breakfast. I'll do a quick look through the front door. And this is what you see when you come inside. Check it out. It's your social area where you can get online. You get tour information, pamphlets. Whatever you need to know about the area, give you that. That's the staff at the front desk.
Yo le dije, no, se fue, imagínate. Pero yo sí le había dicho que él tenía que pagar. Si él no pagó y de otra cosa, yo otra cosa.
You can look him on Instagram.
Porque él debía algo.
What's your advisor?
Él lo pagó. Él debía.
Nice little lobby area. Great staff, great friendly staff. This is the steps, and you probably take the steps. This is the hallway that goes to the elevators. Elevators are kind of small and tight, but it is what it is. I think that's the only downfall. The elevators are really, really tight. You get 2 or 3 people in at one time. Here's the baños. We're having good breakfast before we hit the road. This is the buffet. This is the food. This is the bar that opens up in the afternoon. So I wanted you guys to see what I see. Didn't hit that notification subscription. And follow the channel. So in the meantime, between the time, remember life is to be enjoyed. Peace. Hello everyone, it's Caribbean Eve. We want to give you guys a look into our suite at this wonderful hotel. We'll give you the name of the hotel and we'll show it to you after this video. Distinctively is going to talk about just the room. There's an extra bed right there for my son. He flew in, so they just gave us an upgrade. And look at this beautiful, beautiful tub. that we didn't get a chance to use?
This is the Hodelpa, Caribe, Colonial, in Zona Colonial, Santo Domingo.
Actually, this is one of the best hotels we stayed since we've been coming here. This is our second time in this hotel, but the first time in this room.
We're going down for breakfast, see you later.
We're leaving, we're going down for breakfast, but I want to do a quick video. Even have chandelier over the bed. Good value for the price. Again, we were upgraded to this suite. I want you guys to see what I see. Look how big this is. You could like get 2 or 3 people, maybe more than that in there. That came with the room. I couldn't believe that. Nice big TV. Nice air unit. It was so cold we had to turn it off. And they give you towels. Feels like more like a Hilton. And I really love Hilton. And all the traveling I've been doing all over the world, I never got a chance to actually stay in the Hilton, but that's going to happen. In 2.5 months, I'm going to a wedding in San Diego. And I'm gonna let you guys see what I see. So stay tuned to the channel. There's a lot more to see. This is a little kitchenette. You have a refrigerator in here with some goodies. Only problem is that the safe is not working. But other than that, it's a nice little spot. We're gonna stay one night here because we're on the move. Toilet, shower. I've never seen a shower like this before, where you have 2 actually shower. 2 people can take a shower at the same time. The water comes out of this thing there on the side, it just shoots out. And there's another one on the other side. That's pretty cool, I like that. And the shower is huge. I love good showers, nice hot water. Because a bad shower can really mess your day up, believe me. I've been there and done that. This is double sinks. Nice little dresser, probably hair dryer in there. And that's about it. Just want you guys to see what I see. Nice hotel. We'll give you the information. When you guys in town, you want to stay here, this is a great place to stay. Good value, and you'll be comfortable. It's secure. It's got security here. And it's just wonderful. And we had a wonderful night here. So, like I was saying on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, life to be enjoyed, hit that notification, subscription, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.